Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming. We have a special guest tonight. This is Raylan. She's 5 weeks old and she's rotten. So if I get distracted with her, she usually chews on my feet. So, but okay, let's get to it. Okay, tonight I want to do uh, open cup pour. Okay, so wait, I've cut the bottom out of a cup, just a regular plastic cup. I'm gonna sit it. Let me put you down. I'm sorry. There we go. Okay. I keep forgetting I don't have my cameraman. Okay, let's see. Just set it right here in the middle. I've already prepped the canvas. Okay, and I'm going to use spiced berry, sunny day yellow. Whoops, sunny day yellow, princess purple, and fruit punch. And I've prepped the canvas with just white paint and water, and the paints are I use Floetrol. And I've got a new thing that I've added also. It's a cell medium. You can get it off of Amazon. It's $11.99. It's a 3.3 ounce bottle. And let me tell you, this stuff, you only, for a big bottle like this, you use 2, 3 drops. That's it. Because the cells will come out. So, I just wanted to share that with y'all. So, let's get to it. First, I'm going to layer paints in a cup. I'm going to start with the spiced berry. And I'm just going to layer the paints in there. I'm also going to put a little bit of the white. I'm going to kind of start alternating. I think one more time that'd be good. One more time. See what that can make us. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is kind of go in a circle, a little circle here, inside the cup, put the cup on the canvas. It's kind of leaking out the bottom a little. It's okay. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is kind of just lift it up a little bit. Move it. Lift it up a little bit more. Move it. A little bit more. Move it. Just kind of move it around while you lift it. There we go. I'm going to torch this before I move the paint to get the bubbles out. Backup. It's good to have backup. That torch has been acting up on me. Just going to have to get a new one. There we go. Cells are coming out too. Look at them cells pop. That's this cell medium doing that. Now I'm going to put a little bit of white paint around this, just so my paint will flow a little better. There we go. Okay, let's see how this does. Oop, stuff. There we go. Yeah. Boy, that looks really cool. That looks really cool. All right. Wipe off your sides a little bit. Oops. I have to run it back down there. There we go. Wipe off your sides. Make sure they're covered good. There we go. All right. Now you take your torch again. Get all these bubbles and bring out the cells. This looks like a planet or something. There we go. All right. So there you go, folks. That's my open cup pour. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Like it. And come back and see me. We'll be painting some more. Thanks. Bye, y'all.